Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about middleware function. Middleware refers to functions or modules that sit between the server and the root. Handlers, allowing you to intercept and process incoming request and outgoing responses. Middleware functions have access to the request and response objects and can perform various tasks such as authentication, request preprocessing, error handling, logging and more. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor. First, I import Express module. Next, I create Express application. Then, I choose a port where I want to run my application. Here I choose 5000. Next, I create app-get method, and in this method our first parameter is root, and second is callback function. In callback function we have two parameter, request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use res.send method, and in this I send some text. Again I use app-get method, and in this method we define a root user, and use one callback function. In callback function, we have two parameter, request and response. You can give any name to it. Here, I use res.send method and send some text. Now, I create middleware function. In first parameter we send request, second response, and third is our callback function. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method I write some text for checking our middleware function work properly or not. Then, I use our callback function, that tells Express to pass control to the next middleware in the chain. If this function is not called, the request-response cycle will be halted, and the client will not receive a response. Now, I use our middleware function. Now, open your terminal and run index.js file. Next, open your browser and run application on here. You can see I get output successfully. And here, in terminal our middleware function work properly. Now, I open my user page. And, in terminal you can see our middleware function again call. Now, in middleware function I apply some restriction on user and home page. I comment console.log method. Here, I use if condition. In this I pass a condition. If user cannot enter his age, then show this message. I send a age using query, so I write req query.age. In if condition I send some output to user if they cannot enter age. Next, I use else if, and in this I pass a condition. If user age less than 18, they cannot access the file. Next, I use else, and in this I pass next function. Next, open your browser and reload it. Here, you can see I get a message, please enter your age. Now, I open my home page and check we can access without providing age or not. You can see I get a same message for home page. Now, I pass a age in URL. Now, you can see I get a message, you cannot access this page because I enter age less than 18. Now, I enter age greater than 18. Here, you can see I access page successfully. We do same thing for user page. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.